Hey, looking for a natural cream that hydrates, brightens, and softens your skin? This homemade rice cream is packed with skin loving ingredients and is super easy to make. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon rice brightens the skin and improves texture. 1 glass of water helps extract the goodness from rice. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel smooths and deeply nourishes. 1 vitamin E capsule nourishes and protects the skin. 1 tablespoon milk softens and add a natural glow. Step to make: boil 2 tablespoons of rice in 1 glass of water until the rice becomes soft. Once done, let it cool slightly. Now in a grinder, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 vitamin E capsule and tablespoon of milk. Blend everything into a smooth creamy texture. If you want a thinner consistency, add a little more milk and mix well. Your homemade rice cream is ready. Store it in a clean container and use it daily for soft, hydrating and glowing skin. See the glow, the cream deeply nourish even toned skin tone and keep your skin fresh. Try it and let me know how you like it.